Good morning to everyone who's been connected to Yomento Radio today. आज हम आपके लिए एक बहुत ही स्पेशल सीरीज की शुरुआत करने वाले हैं एंड इस सीरीज में हम बात करने वाले हैं 12th क्लास के बच्चों के साथ बिकॉज जो अभी कोरोना की सिचुएशन चल रही है इसमें सबसे ज्यादा अनसर्टेन अगर कोई है तो वो 12th ग्रेडर्स। तो इस टाइम में एक 12th ग्रेडर के मन में क्या चलता है, क्योंकि इतनी सारी अनसर्टेनिटी है, इतनी सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, इतनी सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हैं। So we're going to try to explore something more in this regard. So today, to help us know more about 12th graders, we have Amitoj joining us. So first of all, I welcome you, Amitoj, to Yomento.
Thank you so much, Moksha, for a warm welcome, and I'm very pleased to be here on this platform with you.
We shall commence with a brief introduction.
Okay, so my name is Amitoj and I'm a 12th grader. I studied from Carmel Convent School. So it's really a confusing statement to make that I am actually in class 12 or we are pass out, because we are some midway in between the college and the schooling. Class 12 हम बीच में लटका दिया हमें in these uncertain times. So we are very confused and we don't know actually what to do and what not to do now.
Okay, Amitoj, that was a lovely introduction. Now, my first question to you would be that what was your reaction? What was the reaction of people around you, your family members and your teachers, when you got to know that your boards were uncertain?
So that moment when the class 10 exams were cancelled and class 12 board exams were postponed, that moment we were traveling and it was a very, very shocking news to hear, because as of the starting of April, everything was very, very confirmed that in May the exams would begin and from in the June they would end, and after that we had many plans to go and visit and be free from all this stuff. So when this announced, I was happy as well as sad, because happy to have a little more time and sad that it's been a long time since our 12th grade has started and it is never coming to an end. So this was my reaction. My family, they were very much normal types, because seeing the outside condition and the world, so it is safe, and what is done is obviously for our own safety and our precautions. That is also necessary.
Definitely, Amitoj, I would agree with you on that. So my next question to you would be that every situation has certain positive aspects and certain negative aspects as well. वो कहते हैं ना कि हर चीज का एक अलग नजरिया होता है. So how do you view this situation? Are there some positive aspects do you feel that the situation has?
So इस सिचुएशन में भी लाइक हम अपने नजरिए को अच्छा रखना चाहिए. वैसे तो हमें मतलब जो कॉन्स है उन्हीं को लेकर हमेशा दुखी नहीं रहना चाहिए. अब हमें खुश तो रहना है. तो अगर हम कॉन्स को देखें तो वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू एक्सप्लोर आवरसेल्फ, आवर हॉबीज, एंड टू डिस्कवर न्यू थिंग्स, टू डू न्यू थिंग्स, टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स, टू रीड बुक्स and exercise, work out. So we have a lot of time to play, and I think this I took it as a really good advantage and explored many different things. I have even started learning the meditation and yoga from 1 year, and I recently started with the coding classes, and they are really interesting. So I am finding myself at quite peace and I am loving this me time. But the cons are we are actually missing the social life which we used to have in the school, and we used to go out with friends, with family, and meet different kinds of people, have different experiences. So this is definitely what we are missing, and we should be out into the world very soon. But I am actually enjoying this time a lot.
So my next question to you would be that what is your personal opinion on this situation? What do you think should be drawn out as the conclusion? Should boards be further postponed, or should they be cancelled? So what do you see as the conclusion?
So according to my knowledge and what I feel, that cancelling the boards is like, I don't feel that it is correct, because we have been working so hard, our teachers have been teaching, and there are so many people who are involved in this, our parents who have been working so hard with us and teaching us. We have worked hard for 1 year, and cancelling the boards is like, all our that gets wasted. But knowledge never gets wasted. But I feel if something is tested, so that would be good. But the educationalists, which are they will be thinking about this, because the situation outside is also not correct, and going outside is like अपने आप पर ही आपने like कोई infection लेनी, और हम उसके साथ हमारी families, they are very much connected, and there are so many people whom we come across in our day-to-day lives. So we can have something like online, like we are having this online conversation like these, some activities or some questions can be put by the teachers, like there will be some way. Or cancelling, now I don't know what happens, but whatever happens, that would be in our favor only. So at least we would get out of this if some exact decision is given that they're cancelled, or when and how they will occur. So at least the uncertainty part is over. So that would be nice.
Well, Amitoj, it was so nice to hear your opinion on that. So my final question to you would be that with this situation going so out of control, where do you see your future going? Because we all are aware that the importance 12th class plays in your career, in your college, and overall development as well, that is paramount. So where do you see your future going with this situation?
So I definitely have a positive outlook on this question, and I firmly believe that the things would be better very soon, and we will be going out into the world. So I see myself as going into the college. Like my predictions are around September, the exams would occur. Like I'm not very sure, but that's what happened last year. So and in November the admission process can take, and basically December the college starts. So I believe that we don't go into an online college, and the colleges and schools reopen in the offline manner. So the vaccination process should be fastened, I think so, because once everything is done, so we attain a herd immunity and we can go into a mask-free life. So that's what I believe.
Thank you so much, Amitoj, for sparing your time. And guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for sparing your time and watching this video. We have much more new and fresh content coming your way. So stay tuned. And this was your host, Moksha Parashar, signing off.
Yo, man.